problem. Find the area of the region enclosed by the parabola x square is equal to y and the line y is equal to x plus 2. X square is equal to y is a upward parabola. So, the required parabola is like this. Sorry, and the straight line is y is equal to x plus 2. So, the points to sketch the straight line, when x is equal to 0, y is 2, and when y is 0, x is minus 2. So, here minus 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 2, and let us find even the point of intersection of straight line with the curve. So, x square is equals to x plus 2, x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0, which is x minus 2 of x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is 2 or x is minus 1. When x is 2, y value is 4, x square is equal to y. When x is minus 1, y is 1. So, the straight line intersects the parabola curve at one point is minus 1 comma 1 and another point is 2 comma 4, and it passes through the point minus 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 2. So, the straight line is, this is the required straight line, and the question is the area of the region enclosed by these two. Our required area is this one. So, which is nothing but the area covered by the straight line between the lines. This point is minus 1 comma plus 1. So, x value is minus 1 and this point is x is equals to 2. So, our required area is integration of area covered by the straight line between the two lines minus 2 to x is equal to minus 2 to x is equal to minus 1, this line. X is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 2, the straight line which is x plus 2 dx. This will give this area, full area, complete area minus integration of x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 2, the area covered by the parabola between these two lines with x axis. This area we are removing. This is nothing but this is straight line minus parabola x square dx. So, integration x square by 2 plus 2x, limits are minus 1 to 2, even here limits are minus 1 to 2. So, we can write directly minus x cube by 3, minus 1 to 2 limits, applying the limits 2 plus 4 minus 8 by 3 minus lower limit half minus 2 here plus 1 by 3. So, this one is 10 by 3 and this on simplification minus 7 by 6 plus 7 by 6. So, by taking LCM on simplifying we will get 9 by 2 square units.